Hi, my name is Patrick. This specific video is to inform you about the IPM Indore workshop. IPM is a 5-year course, and this specific course is for the exam conducted by IIM Indore for this program, IPM program. Now, this program is after 12th standard. If you want to do an MBA from IIM Indore, you can do 3 years graduation plus 2 years MBA, and you pass out from IIM Indore. So I'm assuming people who want to apply for the workshop have already applied for the exam. Let's go into details of the workshop. So it is basically an 18-hour live workshop which is there. Okay, so lectures will be starting from 16th of June. The exam is in first week of July. So lectures for the workshop will start from 16th of June. Okay, timing will be 5 to 6:30 p.m. from Monday to Saturday. On weekday, you can take 5 to 6:30 is the time approximately. Focus of the whole workshop is to how to solve things faster, shortcuts, looking at previous year questions and try to look at how to approach things in a faster manner. Because the key in any exam is if you can solve more number of questions, you will get more marks. And the idea of solving more questions is you should solve the existing questions in lesser amount of time. So the idea of this particular workshop is to look at approaches of how to solve things faster. So faculty includes Patrick, 6-time CAT 100 percentiler, which is me. So crack the exam number of times, the various exam. Remember, the IPM exam is sort of based on the CAT exam. So similar logic, similar shortcut methods, similar approaches. Rochelle, who is basically been there 18 years in this industry, will be there. The fees for the course is 2,900. So how to enroll? You can go to this particular link given out to you out here and enroll for the same. Or you can contact us at 9821314788 or support@coinacademy.com to get more details about this particular course. Right? I hope this will help you. So if you're interested in the course, do enroll before the 16th. 16th is when the course will start for the workshop for the IPM program. And the whole focus is the IPM Indore exam, which is there on first week of July. Hope this helps. Thank you.